What's going on, guys? It's Picsoleated, and today we're just going to be unboxing a bunch of things that I've bought over the course of like the last 2 months. Y'all know I live in Canada, so I was just able to go to Buffalo and pick up the packages of everything I've bought. So we're just going to quickly go through all of them. As you can see, I've got the packages all around me. It might be a little dark, but that's because the packages are blocking the shadows from me. But don't you worry about that. We got a bunch of cool stuff that I know you guys are going to be interested in. Before we get started, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Picsoleated for fire sneaker content. That's at PICSOLEATED. Gotta keep up with the pics, fam. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the first unboxing. As it was made pretty clear from the box, you could tell these items are from Funko Pop, the company so popularly known for making those vinyl figures that everyone seems to be collecting lately. That doesn't mean they turned me though, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really care about the Funko Pops the way most people do, but I did end up buying something anyway. I don't really know why I bought these, I just saw that they were available on the site. I thought, you know what, let's just give it a shot and let's see what I get. As you can tell, this isn't the regular Funko Pop, it comes in this rectangular box. Regular Funko Pop wouldn't even be able to fit in this, and if you can tell from the names on the boxes, it is quite clearly themed based on a very popular superhero movie series. So we've got Loki, Star-Lord, and Thor. And yes, this is a unique kind of Funko. You're gonna find out exactly what it's like. So open up the Loki one first. There you have it. It is a Pez dispenser, a Funko Pop Marvel branded Loki Pez dispenser in all gold. Now I know some of you are too young to know about this, but some of you will know exactly what this is. A Pez dispenser. It's this little candy dispenser. You take these little Pez candies right here, you put them in this dispenser, and you flip up the lid every time you want one. And as you can see, this one is designed based on Loki from the Thor and Avengers Marvel movie series. Then we have Thor, Loki's brother Thor, Thor's brother Loki, same thing. Then we have Star-Lord. There you have it, Thor, Loki, and Star-Lord. Now Funko Pop collectors, they don't like opening their packages, which I think is hilarious because, I mean, why buy something if you don't want to open it? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and show you guys just how it works. Sorry, Funko Pop collectors. Alright, so Pez dispenser, Pez candy. Just pull this guy like so. Okay, I should have done a better job of opening this, but take these Pez candies, just slide them in. I don't know who can open that packaging properly, so you can just slide them in, but I'm just gonna put them in like this. Pez candies have been inserted. There's your dispenser. Every time you want to eat one, just I hope these aren't expired. I bought this thing like 2 months ago. So yeah, I'm really not hype on Funko Pops. I don't know what it is about that like bobblehead, tiny body figure that's so enticing to some people, but that's just not for me. I would rather have a detailed action figure or something cool like that, yet they somehow still managed to make me buy something. I got these Pez dispensers. Let me know what you guys think about them. This is probably my last Funko Pop purchase ever, to be honest. Alright, on to package number 2. Alright, so package number 2, finally some hype stuff. It's this KITH fleece right here, KITH x Columbia collab. If you know anything about me, you know I love KITH. I'm actually wearing the KITH Columbia fleece from the first KITH Columbia collab, and I love it so much I decided, you know what, this time I'll get something from the collab once again. It's a little pricey, I think it was 175 bucks, or I can't even remember at this point, but I ended up getting this blue one right here. KITH and Columbia seem to collaborate once every winter, and this winter was no different. They released the KITH Aspen collab once again, KITH and Columbia. So I ended up getting this KITH x Columbia fleece hoodie. Now a lot of the design choices on this KITH Columbia fleece hoodie are pretty similar. If you can see, I'm wearing the KITH Columbia hoodie from the first release. The drawstrings pretty much the exact same. The style of the hoodie pretty much the same. The overlapping hood design is the same as what I'm wearing right now. We've got these drop pulls, very similar. It's really just a perfect design. I can see why they wouldn't change those design elements. They're super attractive, super cool. The biggest change clearly is this all over graphic print, and that's the main reason I bought this, because this is a really loud hoodie. Compared to this one, this is pretty simple, muted, simple one tone, whereas we have this all over graphic in blue on this one. So this one's gonna be popping off. This is definitely gonna be one of those loud pieces that I like to style a lot, or if I really want to show off, this is what I'm wearing. If I'm trying to gloat today, this is what I'm wearing. But of course, I really enjoyed this hoodie, so I had to get another one. They're really warm, really comfortable, cozy. One of my favorite design aspects of this hoodie is these drawstrings at the bottom. I love when you walk around and it just hangs like that. It kind of goes down towards your pants pants, and just dangling drawstrings in general. For some reason, there's just something so appealing about them. Got the KITH Columbia tag right here. It's a size large. If you wanted to know all about the tech in there, some sort of tech, some sort of warm, keeping you warm tech. And that's about it. Alright, on to package number 3. The next item we have is the KITH BEARBRICK. It's completely expected of KITH to design the packaging of the BEARBRICK as a mini shoebox. Just FYI, most BEARBRICks don't come in a package that looks like a shoebox. In fact, none of them do, so shout out to KITH, obviously innovating and giving you unique designs every time. I now have a nice little BEARBRICK shoebox to add to my tower of shoeboxes, except it has to be on the top because it's tiny and nothing else is gonna balance on top of it. We've got the shoe tag right here with the BEARBRICK description. We've got a 100% BEARBRICK and a 400% BEARBRICK, so there's 2 BEARBRICks in here. Those are the 2 different sizes. If you want to figure out how sizing works on the BEARBRICks, I will make a video on that and a full-on video about the BEARBRICks. But for now, let's just get into the shoebox. So as you open it, you get the 2 BEARBRICks looking like they're in a sculpting mold. Tiny little 100% BEARBRICK and gigantic 400% BEARBRICK. Now for the longest time I didn't know which BEARBRICK I wanted. I've been buying tiny little 100% BEARBRICks for a while now, so I have quite a few of these guys, but I've been looking for a 400% BEARBRICK for a while. I didn't know which one I wanted until the KITH BEARBRICK was announced, and then I knew exactly which one I wanted, and it is this guy right here. I won't get into too much detail on these. I'll make a video exclusively about BEARBRICks and all the important details you need to know, but obviously we have the KITH Classics logo on the face of this BEARBRICK. The BEARBRICK is encased in like this fully velour, velvety, flocked fabric material, and if you don't know about BEARBRICks, you can move their arms and limbs. The bigger ones click like this. The tiny little ones, they're kind of just smooth. You can just sort of have them moving around, but they're super soft, super plush. Look at that little velour, soft, plush fabric. This is almost expected of KITH to do this. That's it for the BEARBRICks. Let's move on to the 4th and final package. To the final package. Yes, it's the Yeezy 350 Boost V2, and it is the Yeezy V2 Static Reflective. That's right, these are the Yeezy Supply exclusive reflective pairs, the ones with the 3M going all over the upper, so when you wear them at nightclubs or anywhere where the lighting is very directional, you can get that 3M hit that pops and lets your feet stand out. I really like the see-through aspect of this shoe. It's actually stretchy too, and I love the fact that there's 3M all throughout the Yeezy. This is probably the first Yeezy that has 3M running all throughout of it, and goes so perfectly with that static theme. The most redeeming quality of the shoe, other than the see-through stripe, is those few times you wear these out and the light hits it just right and someone snaps a photo while the shoe is shining all bright. It's one of the most satisfying feelings for a sneakerhead. I have quite a bit to say about this shoe, but I'll leave that for the review. Otherwise, this is really similar to any other Yeezy 350 V2 in terms of construction, shape, materials. That's it for the unboxings. These are my latest pickups. What are yours? Let me know in the comments. Catch you later. Picsoleated is out of boxes.